Here is how you can mute a specific number on your Android phone. Let me show you exactly where you can find it. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc channel, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So if you have a contact stored on your phone, which you want to mute and make sure that they are always silent, then what you have to do is to open up the Contacts application. I like to use the Google Contacts because it gives me more options. So I get inside, open up the specific person which I'm interested in, and under the contact settings, I have the contact ringtone, and I can tap on it and change the ringtone specifically for that person. And at the top, I also have the silent option. So this basically allows me to choose a silent ringtone for a specific number on my Android phone, meaning that it doesn't matter if my phone is set to vibrate or loud mode or anything else. This contact is always going to ring in the silent mode. So this is how I can mute a specific number, that I have stored in my contacts, right? And it works just fine. So usually that's something which I would do. Outside of that, in here, we also have the send to voicemail toggle, which you also might be interested in, which would technically mute the contact as well. It would not even ring and it would go directly to the voicemail. If somebody tries to call you, or if that person tries to call you and you have this toggle on, then it means that they're going to go directly to voicemail and your phone is not even going to ring and they are technically muted as well. So if that's something which you are interested in, I hopefully were able to help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well. Just subscribe, don't forget to do that, and I'll see you in the next tutorials too.